you can now add your NotebookLM directly in Google Gemini. When you open up Google Gemini, you're going to see it probably pop up here. Organize your ideas and work so you can jump right back in, powered by NotebookLM. Level up your projects with notebooks. Let's go ahead and try it. Look at this. Right on the front page here, you can view all of your notebooks directly inside of Gemini. If I want to just click on the ultimate guide to getting leads on Facebook, for example, I can have a chat session directly with the source that I have already put inside of NotebookLM. So this is super easy. I could say, what is the best way to get leads on Facebook? And it is going to chat directly with that specific item that's inside my notebook and nothing else, just in that container. And that just became your custom GPT. Basically, that's the knowledge file that it's drawing from. And here we are. These are the answers directly from that document. It even has the specific area that it pulled. This is the citation that it pulled this from, this ultimate guide to getting leads on Facebook. So yeah, this is really amazing that they have really been just making Gemini better and better and better. You used to be able to make a connection directly with your notebooks here, but now it's just part of your Gemini. Just very, very simple and easy. Now I'm going to show you a really cool feature. I'm going to do just a regular chat. Let's just say I ask for 10 ways to use Claude artifacts for your business. So it's going to go ahead and it's going to do its research. But what's really cool is that when it is done, you are going to have the option to come up here and you're going to be able to click on these three little buttons right here, and you're going to be able to add this to a notebook if you'd like. So if I go ahead and show you the last one that we just did, I could actually move this particular conversation. Let's just say it didn't come from notebook, but I want to move it to a notebook, and I could go pick one of my hundreds of notebooks that I have here and add it directly, or I can remove it from a notebook. I can also rename these as well. And here we are back inside the Claude Artifacts top 10 ways to use it in your business. And just as you know, it's like interactive lead magnets, visualizing complex workflows. You could do so many different things with Claude Artifacts. Different topic, but I'm going to go ahead and I am going to add it to building interactive tools with Claude Artifacts notebook right there. So then when I get inside my notebook with the Claude Artifacts, you're going to see the Gemini drop down. You are able to click on it so that you can see the transcript. If you want to change anything, you can do that. If you need to change the name, you would want to go do that inside of Gemini, but it's all right there inside of it for you. They've made it so easy for you with all of their tools. So drop a comment if this is something you're excited to give a try to. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me. And if you want to learn more about Claude Code, definitely jump inside my Amplify Your Business School community. The link will be in the description. See you on the inside.